Hello everyone, welcome back. This time we are going to share a video where you're gonna enjoy your ride in the Amtrak railway from St. Paul, Minnesota to Chicago. It took us around 7.5 hours to reach, and this video I want to show you how it feels to take a train ride from Minnesota to Chicago. You will enjoy the beautiful scenery as I show around during the video, and hopefully you all will love it. Please enjoy it. This is the last station in Minnesota, which was the first stop during this train journey. So we got down, we looked around. The town is called Winona, and you can see around here, very quiet town. It was a very transitory stoppage, so most of the crowd, all the passengers got down for a walk, and I'm going to show you around inside. We were on the first deck, so let us see the toilet. The toilet looks pretty much clean, and there were towels and soap, and even though it looks old, there was an area for your baggages to store, and you have to climb up the stairs to go to the first deck. And now you can see how it feels. It was pretty much comfortable, and it was cleaned. The chairs were comfortable and relaxing. Enjoy next.
We will be loading the 12 coach car, loading the 12 coach car at La Crosse, Wisconsin now, right?
be a good time to join us if you haven't done so yet. We do have a few tables available. Once again, diner is open and serving for lunch for our sleeping car passengers. Please listen out because next call will be last call.
That was the Wisconsin Dells. Next station stop will be Portage, Wisconsin. Next station stop will be Portage, Wisconsin. Estimated time of arrival is 15 minutes. Thank you.
Attention sleeping car passengers, this is going to serve as last.
Next station stop is Milwaukee, downtown Milwaukee, Wisconsin. If Milwaukee is your station stop, gather your belongings, make your way down the stairs for training, where Amtrak personnel will assist you. Downtown Milwaukee coming up shortly.
As we came to the end of the journey, we reached Chicago Union Depot, and then we moved out, and you will see the station is pretty busy, and from here we go out and reach our destination of accommodation where we were staying there for a few days. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you soon. Bye.